whether you're a network admin, internet service provider, or a power user. In this video, I will show you simple steps to setting up a Mikrotik Cloud Core Router, or CCR, for the very first time. Let's get started. Step 1. Unboxing Mikrotik Cloud Core Router. Unbox your Mikrotik router, and you will get router itself, a power cord, mounting kit, and USB OTG cable. Step 2. Mikrotik Cloud Core Router connection. Connect power cord to router and power on it. You'll see the LEDs light up as it boots. Now plug an internet cable coming from ISP to ETH port, or if using fiber cable, use SFP port to plug an internet cable. Plug in Ethernet cable from the Mikrotik router Ethernet 2 to PC or laptop Ethernet port. Step 3. Download WInbox configuration tools. Visit Mikrotik official website, go to download page and download WInbox configuration tools and install it. Step 4. Access Mikrotik router settings from WInbox. Open WInbox and click on Neighbors tab. Select your Mikrotik router and press Connect button. Default password is blank. Step 5. Configure WAN internet settings. After login, now configured WAN settings. Get internet settings from your ISP. Go to IP addresses option from left side menu. Click plus button to add IP. Select interface from list. Use SFTP for fiber connection, or if using Ethernet port for internet, select Ethernet 1. Provide internet IP address and netmask got from your ISP and press apply OK button to confirm settings. Add default gateway. Now, add default gateway. You can add default gateway using terminal command or from menu list under IP route. Open terminal and add gateway. Command is IP route add gateway equals your gateway address and press enter key. Add DNS server. Now go to IP option from left side, then go to DNS and add primary and secondary DNS server as provided by your internet providers. After providing DNS server, press apply and OK button to confirm. Step 6. Add bridge. Now set up a bridge. Go to bridge from left side menu. Press plus button to create new bridge and apply OK button. Now go to Ports tab and add all Ethernet ports except Internet port to new bridge one by one. Step 7. Enable NAT. Now go to IP option from left side menu, then go to Firewall. Go to NAT tab and press plus button and create new firewall rules. Go to Action tab and select Masquerade and apply OK. After Internet configuration, check Internet working before further configurations to ensure Internet up. Now open terminal and ping DNS server or any website URL to confirm Internet working. Step 8. Add new IP address to bridge interface. To create new network, go to IP option, then got address option. Press Add button. Now provide new IP address. You want create new network for DHCP server. Select Interface Bridge and apply OK button to save settings. Step 9. Set up the DHCP server. Now go to DHCP server option from left side menu under IP option. Press DHCP setup button and select DHCP server interface bridge and press next button. DHCP address space. Keep it default and press next button. Set DHCP IP pool range and press next button. Provide DNS server if you're not already added. Press next button and finish DHCP setup. Now turn your laptop or desktop static IP address to automatic DHCP configuration. Go to Network Settings and change static IP address to obtain IP address automatically. And Internet should start working. And that's it. You've just successfully configured Mikrotik CCR router for first time using WInbox configuration utility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching.